in London.
Wicked.
They're all competing against each other, aren't they? All these capital cities. Dubai was meant to be good, wasn't it? Wow, look at that. Mummy.
Tap me in.
Yeah. Welcome to Bulgaria, Romania, Poland.
Happy New Bulgarians!
Latvia.
Right, Mark, do you want me to put it on 3D for you or not?
No.
You watching Big Ben?
Oh, they got some 1980s tunes there, mate.
Yeah.
You on the Mac? What are you recording this for, Mark?
Because it's brilliant, isn't it?
I'll let everyone know you was there. Look at me.
He zoomed in so he didn't see the television screen.
Little Gary Newman stuff, he got his song going on.
How much did you get for that?
Watching Big Ben? Watching Big Ben?
I don't know what Bates does.
Have you FaceTimed your sister or not?
I'm trying to do that.
Mate, if the network's busy, you've got no
Well,
chance.
she's on the computer trying, but she's in South Korea, isn't she?
Connected? Yes.
You connected
What
to her, have you?
Bates does.
Lucy! Auntie Kathy!
It's fucking brilliant, isn't it? South Korea, that is, now. FaceTime.
Yeah.
Happy New Year, guys!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
They already up there.
Woo!
9 hours ago.
By your bed.
With an 8-year-old?
Oh, that'd be 9 in the morning.
Happy New Year, Marky Allen!
Happy New Year!
Hello. And you?
Happy George!
I've only just got back from the pub. I've only just got back from the pub.